For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
How to select a good logistics service provider. What is logistics? Logistics is simple, getting the goods from one place to another, and then to that you add to the right person at the right time, in the right mode, with the right price, in the right condition. But logistics remains an outsourced activity. Logistics also remains in the service segment. So the first thing you need to understand when you are selecting a logistics service provider, that you are selecting somebody from a service segment. Secondly, logistics is something which is going to decide the future of your enterprise. If you have a good logistics setup, your clients, your buyers will be happy with you, your manufacturing will happen in place, your storage and other activities will do well, and you will not be in for surprises. So respect your logistics service provider. That is of paramount importance. Understand his abilities. Start a discussion with him on, this is my commodity, this is what I am looking out for. Tell me what can you do for me. Tell me what has been your past experience in handling these commodities. Tell me what are the things I should do. And most importantly, tell me how will you value add to my existing enterprise. Do not start your discussion with what are you going to charge me. Do not start your discussion with how much credit will you give me. Please understand that the logistics service provider is definitely going to find ways and means of recovering his costs if you press him very hard on the charges. Press him more on services. Press him more on the value add that he can do. He has a lot of information available with him. He is aware of the rules, he is aware of the laws, he is aware of the regulations. He has sufficient experience in handling same or similar commodities. He is exposed to a lot of areas to which you are not exposed. Treat him in that manner. Take out as much information as you can before deciding to work with him. Meet more than 2 or 3 forwarders before deciding on one. Understand that he is a person who is working in a position of trust. So just as you finalize on a doctor or a lawyer or a chartered accountant, finalize on your forwarder in that manner. Finalize on your logistics service provider in that manner. Tell him what are your needs. It is often experienced that enterprises are not clear in what they need from their logistics service providers. And logistics service providers also, in their anxiety to get business, do not insist on being very clear on expectations and delivery. If we are clear on expectations and delivery, you will have a good win-win situation both for you as well as your logistics service provider. Teach your logistics service provider your manufacturing process. Tell him what happens before you come into the picture, and tell him what happens after you deliver the goods to your ultimate buyer or consignee. He will be able to add a lot of value on the entire process, and don't confine him only to tackle problems for you, to look after the complexities of the system. Remember, the logistics service provider is a service provider. He is working in a position of trust, and there is a whole lot of things that he can do for you as long as you respect him and you have clarity in your expectations from him.
For detailed learning on all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.